16. Test. Are you ready? Let's get started. Біз сіздермен 1-15 сабаққа дейін осы тақырыптарды үйрендік. Жақсылап қарап алыңыздар, осы бойынша тест болады. We learned these themes. Now you are going to check your knowledge according to these themes. Question 1. Which of these is the correct answer? How old are you? Good. How old are you? I am 5. Question 2. Which of these is the correct sentence? B. He is single. Question 3. Who are in this photo? Who are in this photo? Grandparents. Question 4. Which of these is the correct sentence? John and I are group mates. Question 5. Which of these is the correct sentence? Are you married? Question 6. Which of these is the correct answer? Is Paul happy? Is Paul happy? Yes, he is. Question 7. Which of these is the correct answer? We are. We are siblings. Question 8. Which of these is a general question? Is she single? Is a general question. Question 9. Which of these is a special question? Where are you? Is a special question. Question 10. What clothes is it? What clothes is it? Suit. Question 11. What color is your dress? What color is your dress? Your dress is green. Question 12. Which of these is correct? Man. Man is correct. Question 13. Which of these is correct? Deer. Question 14. Which of these is the plural only noun? Pants is the plural only noun. Question 15. Which of these is a tag question? It is a wolf, isn't it? Is a tag question. Question 16. Which of these is an alternative question? Are you from Italy or Spain? Is an alternative question. Question 17. Which of these are opposite adjectives? Difficult, easy. Question 18. Which sentence is in a possessive case of noun? My dad's shirt is in a possessive case of noun. Question 19. Which sentence is in a possessive case of noun? Astana is the capital of Kazakhstan. Question 20. Which of these are opposite adjectives? Lazy, hardworking. Question 21. Which sentence is correct? Aren't I smart? Question 22. Which sentence is correct? I'm at work is correct. Good job!